Many people who are new to e-waste recycling believe that removing electronic components from circuit boards is simple. They think manual dismantling or even burning PCBs is good enough to make money. But after more than 10 years in the e-waste recycling equipment industry, we can say clearly that approach is inefficient, unsafe, and harmful in the long run. Manual dismantling takes time, requires heavy labor, and produces inconsistent results. Burning circuit boards is even worse. It releases toxic fumes, unpleasant odors, and harmful substances that seriously affect human health. In many countries, this practice is already restricted or completely banned. This is exactly why more recyclers are switching to PCB components removal machines. A PCB dismantling machine is designed to safely and efficiently remove electronic components, such as CPUs, RAMs, chips, and connectors from various types of circuit boards. The process is fast, controlled, and far more productive than manual work. More importantly, our dismantling system is equipped with an exhaust gas treatment unit, which effectively handles the fumes generated during the process. This allows recyclers to work in a cleaner, safer, and more environmentally friendly way. After dismantling, recyclers get two valuable outputs: clean motherboards and separated electronic components. Clean motherboards can then enter the shredding and metal separation line to recover copper and non-metal materials, while the electronic components can be further sorted and prepared for precious metal recovery. Whether you are a small-scale recycler, a precious metal recovery investor, or a professional e-waste processing plant, a PCB dismantling machine is the first and most important step towards safe, profitable, and scalable recycling. If you are interested in e-waste recycling solutions, from PCB dismantling to metal and precious metal recovery, feel free to contact us. We provide complete systems, technical support, and solutions tailored to your needs.